New York City is wonderful, and Betsy Nelson is enjoying her work with the Salvation Army. But everything changes when news of her father's grave illness brings her back to Walnut Port, Pennsylvania. The small church he pastored for years must find someone new to lead it. Seeing another pastor in the pulpit is difficult for Betsy, but she hadn't expected such a charming and handsome replacement. Pastor William Covington, a young and confirmed bachelor, has set aside the luxuries of his birth for service to God. Filling the shoes of Pastor Nelson is a difficult task, but Betsy seems willing to help. It is immediately clear that the two don't see eye to eye on some important church issues. Other women in the congregation are more than happy to assist, not only at the church, but in William's love life. Despite the meddling matchmakers, a disagreeable housekeeper, and Bristleface, the Nelsons' little terrier, an attraction is growing between the new pastor and Betsy. After a badly broken heart, William had vowed never to marry, but that was before Betsy's return. Read this enjoyable and heart-tugging story of love and faith from award-winning author Wanda Brunstetter.